Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum class. I hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome to the science class. This is your Science Fact File 1 workbook. In previous lecture, we have completed the exercise of chapter number 3, which is energy resources from the textbook. Now we are going to start the exercise of chapter number 3, which is energy resources from the workbook on the page number 14. The question number 1 is, state whether the following statements are true or false. Students, here you can see that there are 5 statements are given below, and we read the statement and write the true or false according to the statement. The first one is, energy is released from burning fuel in a chemical reaction called combustion. Yes, it's true. According to the definition, the fuel reacts with oxygen to give out thermal energy, and the energy is released by a chemical reaction called combustion. So write T for true. The second one is, breaking chemical bonds in a fuel releases lots of energy. No, it's wrong, because when a molecule is ignited, the energy is used to break the bond between the molecule, and making bonds in the new molecule releases lots of energy. So it's false, and write the F for false. The third one is, coal, oil and natural gas are called fossil fuels because they contain fossils. Yes, it's true, because fossil fuels are formed from the decayed living things. So write T for true. The fourth one is, sedimentary rocks are porous, which means they are impermeable to oil and gas. So it's wrong statement, because sedimentary rocks are permeable to oil and gas. So write F for false. The fifth one is, burning fossil fuels produces sulfur dioxide which cause acid rain. Yes, it's true, because when we burn the fossil fuels, they produce nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide which causes acid rain. So write T for true. The second question, which is choose the correct option. The first one is, which of the following is not a fossil fuel? Dear students, here you can see the 4 options. Coal, natural gas and oil are the common fossil fuels, and electricity is not the fossil fuel. So mark the option B, electricity. The second one is, in the last 100 years, the temperature on the Earth's surface has risen by around 10 degrees Celsius. Option B is 15 degrees Celsius. Option C is 1 degree Celsius. And option D is 2 degrees Celsius. The correct option is C, which is 1 degree Celsius. The third one is, which one of the following gases decreases when coal is burnt in air? Dear students, when coal is burned in the air, the oxygen gas is used, and they convert the coal into carbon dioxide and water. So carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide is produced while the oxygen is decreased. So the correct option is B, which is oxygen. The fourth one is, which of these statements about global warming is true? Deserts will get larger. Yes, it's true. Sea levels will fall. No, it's wrong, because sea levels will rise. There will be less flooding. No, there will be a more flooding. Weather patterns will stay the same. No, weather patterns will change. And the correct option is A, which is desert will get larger. So mark the option A. The fifth one is, which of the following is true? Making bond in molecules releases lots of energy. B is, breaking bonds in molecules releases lots of energy. C is, making bond in molecule require lots of energy. And D is, breaking bonds in molecule require no energy. Dear students, making bonds in molecules releases lots of energy is true statement, so mark the option A. The third question is fill the gaps in the passage using these words. Students, here you can see the 6 words, and using these words we fill the blanks which is given below. So let's start. When animals and plants waste decays, a gas called methane is given off. This gas can be collected and used as fuel. Some villages in developing countries have biogas generator. Animal waste is put into tank with a lid. As my crops digest the waste, gas is given off. This can be used for cooking and heating homes in cool countries. The fourth question is we obtain energy by burning fuels. The first one is name two common fuels. There are two common fuels which is natural gas and coal. The second one is coal is a fossil fuel consisting mainly of carbon. The A part is what gas in the air is needed for coal to burn. Oxygen gas in the air is needed for coal to burn. The B part is write a word equation for the burning of coal in oxygen. Here is the word equation which is oxygen plus carbon and form the carbon dioxide. The third one is the atoms in molecules of fuel are held together by chemical bond. Explain what happens to these bonds when fuel burns. The answer is when fuel molecules is ignited, the energy is used to break the bond in the fuel molecule. Fuel atoms combine with oxygen form new bonds. Making of new bonds release energy. Now we are going to start the question number 8 on the page number 19 on workbook. The question is which of these energy sources are renewable and which are non-renewable? Write your answer in the box beneath each diagram. Dear students, what is renewable energy source and non-renewable energy source? Renewable energy sources are those they will be able to supply energy for millions of years, and non-renewable energy sources are those energy sources that will run out one day. Woodland is renewable energy source. The wood is used to supply the energy for millions of years. Wind is also renewable energy source. Food is renewable energy source. Uranium is non-renewable energy source. Gas is also non-renewable energy source. Hydroelectricity is renewable energy source and it is used to produce the electricity through the fast flowing water. Oil is also used as a non-renewable energy source, and solar is renewable energy source which is used to produce the electricity through the sun, and coal is non-renewable energy source because it will run out one day. Dear students, today we have completed the question number 1, 2, 3, 4 and question number 8 of the exercise of chapter number 3 from the workbook. I hope you will mark the correct answer. Stay safe at your homes and keep praying for your country. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.